Yep, I'm live now. Hello. What was he just gonna do? Oh, I did share my screen. Did it work? What? Daddy Goming. Yeah, I'm on YT now. Come on. And connection. Apex. I'm not gonna trade very large today. Kind of tired.
Treasuries erase most losses as oil retreats from day's high.
See if this rejects here and get a short. Easy. Any good, Ming? Getting real close here. See if we can reverse this. Well, TikTok just did not reopen. I'm only gonna trade one account. Hey, I can't do the fucking because of the news, dude. That's like 3 days in a row that I like gave back 9K, 7K. I think my mind is like over. Ooh. All right, this is. Oh, this is a short. This is gonna be eval too. Now this is the original OG, so we're not sure if it's gonna go past it or if it's not. So we'll have to keep a tight eye on it. It could just bounce here and rip up. Come on, get the fuck out of my way. See how it rejected that?
Voice news disconnected. Voice news disconnected.
Careful. Pretty big rejection off the 50%. Yogurt, it's true, man. I'm not gonna lie, I wrecked a lot of my accounts this week. Every day I went from fucking up a lot of money to giving it back. I'm only gonna trade one account today. I'm gonna do one eval. I gotta reset my brain. That was really loud. Wow. Careful. So usually when this OG fair value gap on the original flag holds, it's been ripping up. Not ripping up, but it gives it at least trouble. Yeah, I'm struggling too, Maverick. It's a hard fucking. You know what? The price action's actually kind of easy for me. It's the random fucking news. After like they already agreed to something, you'll see like 10 minutes later, it's like, oh, we're bombing each other again, huh? There's a waterfall. Damn, this might go up. See, you went from $100 winner to fucking $100 loser right now. Oh my god, we gotta close it. There's nothing's the follow throughs are really shit. If we get a pullback on this, we'll go long.
Bit more here from the report.
Of
A
course.
source familiar with the details tells that the person expected to lead the negotiations on Israel's person expected to lead the negotiation on Israel's behalf is former Minister Ron Demir.
Hello.
Alright.
Daddy, chill.
Come on, bruh. See, like the news. There's more news that just came out. Why it keeps going. They're failing. Oh, hell yeah. This is their time. Whenever there's news, this is their
Further
time
strength
to
of the
rape
S&P
us.
500. A little bit more weakness in WTI crude off the back of these headlines.
This is open rape season, boys. What we should have did here was take fucking profit early. Yeah, so yesterday what I was doing, I was taking TP early as shit. Sorry for getting on late today. I try my best. Fucking fall now. I'm gonna go to the 30-second chart. Life is a waterfall. Why am I lacking already? So they're gonna give me back my money for my
Mine at 12
my
p.m. Eastern
$250
time,
chip.
expecting the worst DN stocks. Weekend
What's up,
stocks
Mr.
forecast
Bastard?
930.5 million, prior 931 million. Soybean forecast 350 million, unchanged from the prior. Cotton
Looks like it wants to go up.
forecast
I'm going in long.
4.5 million, unchanged from the prior.
This
And
is an
coal
eval.
stocks forecast 2.127 million, unchanged from the prior.
It looks like a clear rejection here, and now watch, it's gonna tumble. Come on! TP early. TP early. I don't give a shit. Soybean? Is it ripping? Yeah, yogurt. I would just take your initial setup and take like 30% of what you would originally take. Because that's what's the deal here. Hi, Texas. It was in the news. Yeah. I thought you were looking at it and trading it. I don't know if soybeans easy. If anything's got volume, I could do it. A little higher. Just do it. There you go. Now I'm taking profit early because watch this shit tumble. Yeah, so they're gonna give me my money back
Major
for
report
my
says
chip.
NATO will be willing to play a role in a possible Strait of Hormuz mission if it's able to.
The VIX. Wow, why is the fear gone? There's no fear? What'd I miss? Oh, Trump requested Israel to ease on bombing in Lebanon to help make negotiations with Iran a success. Let's see. See if there's anything else important. Germany will back Hamas sea mission if mandated. What does that mean, mandated? You're a fucking country. So, Nico, you're thinking just go longs, right? And then halfway through it'll be a whatever. Scat gaming. Bro. I fucked up yesterday when you left, man. Short it soon? Oh, because it's so low? I mean, wow, look at this gap. Well, we'll see when this bottom happens at 1997. Thanks, Stevie. You're the best for your support. I was up 9,000 yesterday. And then Iran said we will not
We have the worst end stocks. Wheat forecast
assist.
930 spot 5 million.
They won't agree with the news, and they it just tumbled, dude.
Million, unchanged to the prior. Cotton forecast 4.4 million, unchanged to the prior. Corn forecast 2.127 million.
So I gave back 9K and a little more. And then Israel comes out. Yo, I'm surprised there wasn't more movement with that, actually, when Israel says you're either with us or you're with them. Oh, yeah, it fucking ripped my soul out, Scott. Ripped my soul out. Stevie, I was up over 9K. Oh, because you're saying I turned the stream off with 500? I lost that 500 when I got off.
Israeli Channel 13 says 5 rockets launched from towards the city of Nara.
I'm going one. I'm only going one account today. I'm done. I gotta chill. Oh my god. You with the Forex, bro? Alright, Stevie. No, I was just like upset with myself. I think I was up like at least over 20K in 3 days, and I gave it all back. It's alright. Shit happens. I would long it around 162. We even go to the 30-second chart and see. 153. But again, now you got me thinking, Nico, like eventually it could short.
Surely expecting the Freddie Mac numbers.
You're saying around 1999? My things get 200 a payout from it, and then yeah, but Forex trade's so different, dude. Slower. Oh, you still traded as 100? Sorry, I missed it. Gotcha. My bad. What's my year-to-date P&L? Like what I cashed out? Or how much I've made and lost? I'm well over 100K lost. But that's just going from an $80 account and bringing it up. I'm probably up, I don't know off the top of my head, 16, 20, 16 to 20. Nah, Scott, it's I didn't realize it, but you can only request accounts every 21 days. So, I don't know. That is kind of buns, right? I'm going to ask for a little more and put in the comments, hey, since it's every 21 days, throw a guy an extra fucking account.
10 seconds.
99, we gonna party, baby. What's the news that's coming out?
$938 million, $938 million, higher than forecast of $931 million.
Wheat? The fuck? This thing
Soybean
just
end
keeps
stocks,
ripping.
350 million as expected. Cotton end stock, 4.4 million, 4.4 million as expected.
I love TikTok.
Corn end
I'm
stock,
over fucking
2.127
screaming I love
million,
TikTok today.
2.127 million as expected.
I'm tired.
US stock indexes hitting session highs, S&P 500 and Dow up 0.5% each, Nasdaq up 0.6%.
50 accounts? How? Who was it, Mr. Bastard?
Seeing Freddie Mac data come through, US 30-year fixed mortgage rate averaged 6.37% in April 9th week. That's a 6.46% prior week. So Freddie Mac
Moose, I
15-year
got
fixed
you, bro.
rate
I'm
mortgage
I'm
averaged
getting destroyed too.
5.74% as of April 9th.
You gotta take your profit early. All right, we're below it. Now what?
US
Is it
mortgage
sky?
rates fall
It's
for
a
the first
sky
time
rip?
since the Iran war to 6.37%.
Fuck. We should have knew better. This is the first time it broke it, dude. The first time it fucking broke it. Go a little higher. Equal lows, baby. Let's see what happens. So the VIX, what happens is when it goes lower, Nasdaq goes higher. But we are now just passing a level that we haven't passed in a long time. So maybe it might do a little slingshot back up just to recover. Holy shit. You're doing fucking long. I'm going to wait a little bit more for confirmation. I agree it should pull back. Guys, can you guys give me 20 likes? I only got 123 likes. Help me stay out of TikTok jail. I need some interaction. Just 20 likes. 20 likes each.
According to TASS, Russian embassy rejects UK claims that Russian ships pose threat to UK underwater infrastructure.
Dude, I wish I could put my news higher. Like, this is bullshit. Holy shit. We're at the 1-to-1. Next stop is 296, so be careful. And that's the 1-2-3. It usually touches that stuff, so might get a pullback. See what the pullback does, and then hopefully we can get in. How did the pullback here go? Right on the cloud? Alright, we'll try that for a little gamble here. Dude, oil's tumbling too a little bit.
Heads up, the Commission gives readout of gas coordination group meeting.
Oh my god. BV's back. Alright, we're there again. Should we just try it? Look at the VIX.
According to Jerusalem Post reporter here, the negotiations will take place between Ambassador Leiter and Lebanon's ambassador to the US, who is close to President Orn. They expect to speak with mediation by Michael Issa, the US ambassador to Beirut. And Israeli forces will remain in the area, and Israel will act against any threat to
We
the
love
area
Vivian
soldiers or
TikTok
civilians
shop.
posed by Hezbollah.
Let's pin it so she can see it. Cowboy is back. Yo. There's no way it's Cowboy. Donnie! Take time in a... In a one night. I'm not going against you, Nico. Just want to see the bounce. Watch it fucking drop now.
EU sees no immediate gas security or supply risk.
Ooh, flowers. Daily saving my ass again. Thanks, bro.
Senior Lebanese official says that Lebanon is advocating for temporary ceasefire to allow for discussions with Israel.
Okay. Bullish. Going in 8. Going off the news. Take time. I almost want to go into this heavy. 12. Takes them out very early, and then we'll see if it comes up. Take that one out.
The separate track, the same model as Iran-US truce brokered by Pakistan.
My PC will be better soon next
Also,
week.
senior Lebanese
I gotta
officials
put it
said no
together
date
though.
or
I gotta
location
buy
set for
fucking
truce
the
talks
parts.
yet.
Take time.
Also, senior Lebanese official says that Lebanon needs US as a guarantor of any deal with
Yeah,
Israel.
I've been seeing that pattern, so I got in. Let's see what the 1 minute did. Did it touch it or no? Oh, it did. Okay. So we can actually go up a little higher. Half the man. My man Daily. What did the VIX do again? Hold on. Still going down. This could be the break. VV. Call my name. What's my name, bitch? What's my name? All right, we got to be careful in this one. I think I'm going to close it. Now, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Lower highs, right? Now, we'll see how it reacts here, but this could be the fall. VIX is starting to rip up. If it starts passing this again, we're going to pull back. And this looks... All right, that's a short. We'll try the entry. We'll try the short entry. If I drink water? Yeah, I drink water. Purple and orange. How do you make a Finks sound?
So an Axios reporter saying a senior Israeli official says that direct negotiations between Israel and Lebanon will begin next week. Again, Axios citing senior Israeli official.
All right, it also
direct
bounced
negotiations
off
with
the
Israel
lower
will
one,
begin
so we
next
got to be
week.
careful.
Fucking smile on my face.
Yeah, Pinky, thank you for the gift. Damn, did I fuck this one up? I might have gave back money on this one. Let's see. If that lower high breaks, though, no I'm good. You see how this made a fucking bullish? Fucking, it's some pattern. I can't remember what the hell it's called. You like 7-Up.
So, reminder with the headlines we just had before the Axios bit there, you had senior Lebanese officials saying no date, no location set for truce.
I mean, it hit the 50% on the way up. I can't hear the news good, guys. Sorry. My drivers are all messed up on my volume. Disorder. Baby, I'm sleep. I can, but it overpowering everything. I won't be able to hear the news. In the city. Bye, BB. Good night. Is that loud enough, Mr. Bastard? I want beat Brock Lesnar. Wow. All right, lower high stuck. If that breaks, we wrong. Downtown, Freddie Brown. I like that one.
US Brent crude futures falling about $4 now as Israel says the start direct negotiations with Lebanon as soon as possible.
I don't know why this thing won't play. I'll figure that out next week, though. I can't do it. I don't have the energy to do it right now. All right, we're on the bottom of that cloud, baby. Let's see. What's the VIX doing? We're still ripping up. We might break it. If we can break this on the VIX, I drew this line fucking like weeks ago. Weeks ago.
Iran's foreign minister spokesperson says halting the war in Lebanon is an integral part of the ceasefire agreement proposed by Pakistan. And also saying that we conduct.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the
So
fucking
again,
smile on my
Iran's
face.
foreign ministry spokesperson says
Ooh.
conducting discussions to end the war is contingent on US adhering
Thank you for the
to
gift,
ceasefire commitments on all
Daily.
fronts, including Lebanon.
I'm trying to understand the news. Will remain in the area. Israel will act against any threat. Soldier civilian posted by Hezbollah. So they're still doing their awesome stuff, huh? Jeez. Let's see, the VIX. Again, we're falling. Oh! Love you. Follow throughs are not there, buddy. Just not there. This is yesterday repeated. And then it'll drop when we're not expecting it. We can see if it denies this area here. If it doesn't, then we wrong. But every time I don't take profit,
Also,
it
from
fucking
Axios,
shoots
first
up.
meeting between Israel and Lebanon will take place at the State Department in Washington.
Still denying. We could still get another short here. We have 36 seconds left, though.
Israeli official. Israel has no high expectations for the success of negotiations with Lebanon.
Wish I could make this smaller. What's up, X6? Everybody sucks. If this comes down again, I'm going to put another short order below 229s. And then we'll take that profit a little bit early in the one, and then we'll see if the rest drops. So at least we'll be getting out, you know, some extra money here. But we got to see it break first. So we got pin bars, right? 2 reversal pin bars saying, oh, we can't do it. Oh, we can't do it. So if it starts to continue down, we'll be there to get another entry. Lower high is sticking. That's why I got my stop loss there. But this doesn't look the best. We need some time to grow here. We got triples. See, 30 seconds like right here. I'm in a short. It had massive amounts of rejections. The only issue is follow-throughs now. I'm short right now. But the only issue that we're having is follow-throughs. VIX is chilling now. Look, it's going up, but the 30 seconds right there, so we can try to see. 1 minute is still good, but, you know, we're pushing the limits. Honestly, if we can break this to the downside, we'll be Gucci to go down. All right, we're in again. I'm going to take this a little bit early so we can get more profit on our feet here.
Seeing reports here that minutes after the announcement, sirens sounded across northern Israel. In the reports, a Hezbollah launched rockets over the border.
All right,
this is after
bombing going on,
the
bombing.
headline that Israel agreed to direct talks with Lebanon that will focus on disarming Hezbollah and establishing peaceful relations between the two nations. Again, minutes after the announcement, sirens sounded across northern Israel, and reports Hezbollah launched rockets over the border.
Dude, honestly, do we just go low? Dude, this is what I'm talking about yesterday, but we're paying attention faster, right? Good news, bad news. This is definitely bad news. There's supposed to be no fucking alarms going off. Watch, 5 minutes later, they're going to be like, it was just a false alarm. We're friends. I'm going to take some out if I can. Only because you know how...
To Fox News again, just after the announcement, sirens sounded across northern Israel. Hezbollah launched rockets over the border.
But who's doing that? It was a sandstorm. The sand from the storm got into the alarm and it sounded it off. That's nothing though from what we did. I don't know if you guys remember the Hawaii incident when they all got alerts to take cover. But it was one of those ones where like nobody had nowhere to take cover. So everybody was saying goodbye to their families. This is during Trump, his first term. Alarm sounded in Hawaii. Everybody that had to take cover could, and then there were some people that just accepted it. There's a good story with Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey was over there, and you know what he did? It was too late. They only had a couple minutes to take cover. He went to the beach because he was right there. He said that he was on his knees, got on his knees, and had a flashback of his life. and said he was at peace at what he's completed. He accepted death right there. Do you know probably what that does to you? I couldn't even imagine the psychological issues that done. It's either you're going to come out a fucking better person or you're going to come out really fucked up, PTSD. I think that's crazy, you know, like you're basically going to accept your death. And then nothing ever happened. It was just a false alarm. Or actually the guy accidentally hit the alarm. The crazy Poetic says the crazy thing is it wouldn't have even affected like most of the place. I don't think so. I think it was like well, I'm pretty sure it was like a nuke or some shit there. The alarm was.
Iran's
But
foreign minister
psychological,
Araqchi
bro. That's gotta
says
mess with
most
you.
safe passage is possible via guidelines.
We're not gonna let this turn into a fucking loser. Vivi, you're back? I thought you were going sleepies. Yeah, even the largest missile wouldn't even take out the biggest city on the island. But yeah, that's gotta be crazy. It's not the initial explosion, it's the what comes after, the clouds, blocking the sun, panic. Vivi. Yeah, the aftermath from it is what happens. If you can't take cover, you know, you got the radiation poison, you got a lot of shit. Ooh, see how this bounce off that? There's a lot of areas they're gonna reject again.
According to Israeli Channel 13 on Trump, they say that Netanyahu will reduce the pace of fighting in Lebanon.
I can't hear it, the news.
Araqchi to Lavrov says the US should stop the war in Lebanon
Bro,
and in all areas. So
trying to
to repeat what's
understand
been
Enki
said
right now
before,
is
but
like
just Araqchi to Russia's
pulling
Foreign
teeth,
Minister
bro.
Lavrov.
What do they say? I can't even. So they launched rockets against them. You know what's crazy is that they're so separated over there that they might not even know like what's going on, and they're just still shooting shit they got. There we go. If this can't hold, if this breaks any of these though, then we're in shit trouble. 219s is my trail. We need a dump now, or else it's gonna do a pretty big pullback to the upside. Got me out. It's actually a long. I'm gonna scalp this. I'm dead ass taking profit quick. We ain't playing games today. We ain't playing games today.
Al Jazeera correspondent reporting that launch of 6 rockets from South Lebanon towards Upper Galilee.
He said it's bouncing on the EQ of dynamic zones right now. Wow, this fucking thing drops. I'm gonna be so annoyed. Think it's falling? I think pull back. Unless more news comes out. It's really weird because Iran is saying USA should stop the war. What the fuck? Yeah, I'm only taking a few points, guys. You caught the top? You caught some of the top. Dude, don't tell me this was it right here. See, sometimes it's hard to see where it is, and that's a 78%. Motherfucker. We're still good for the top one, but I'm going to put my stop loss at this higher low. I don't like this structure break either. This needs to hold. Yeah, the trends haven't been straight. I'm gonna get wiped out, I think. We're still good, but I don't want to lower it too much. We'll do that higher low. You said 30-minute dumping it? We're still okay. I agree, Nico. I'm thinking 203 no good. 203 no good. I might take this out a little bit. It's really choppy again. You think the last test? Get your ass up there. Think you bar is weak right now? Yeah. Self-righteous suicide. You go cooking? Go cook. Alright, I'm out. I stopped out. This is gonna go down more. This is what we were looking for the first time. Not this fucking rejection here. But these are hard. Like this was probably the bounce instead. Went right to 78% on these wicks are hard to tell. You held your short? Very good. More rockets are coming out. Crazy. Guys, I gotta go to the bathroom very fast. I'll be right back. Sorry.
So according to AFP, just reporting what's already been said here, Lebanon wants a ceasefire before discussions with Israel. Iran's foreign minister Arakchi says if the US wishes to crater its economy by letting Netanyahu kill diplomacy, that will ultimately be its choice. Adding that we think that will be dumb, but we're prepared for it. So, split EU commissioner for Mediterranean condemns Israeli strikes on Lebanon and calls for ceasefire. CBOE volatility index down 1 point at about 20.04. Israeli Channel 14, quoting Defense Minister, says that the army will not withdraw from southern Israel without guaranteeing the security of northern Israeli residents. Excuse me, so there's probably a mistranslation there. So Israel Defense Minister says Israel won't withdraw from southern Lebanon without ensuring the security of northern Israeli residents.
My bad. Oh, it did drop pretty good. Original theory was right, huh? Shit. You know, we got a bullish. No, that's not bullish yet. Probably to like down here. I think it dumps a little more. I'm going in a little heavy. I'm only trading one account right now. It works, Johnny. It's just hard to trade in real time sometimes. I would use it with other stuff, in my opinion. Come on, a little lower. Don't do this now. Is I getting too early? I'm in 8 micros right now. Come on. Don't do it. You want to fall this whole time, and as soon as I get in, it fucking rips up. Can't make this up. This should go down now, though. I still have $550 in profit, so I can risk a lot more right now. It's end of day drawdown. That's how I trade. You can't copy me. Well, pick the bottoms and tops in the opposite directions. Called a gift, you know, Mr. Bastard. You know, how does one pick
Lebanese
the
official
bottom?
speaking to Al Jazeera says the Lebanese delegation will consist of 3 people and will not be subject to sectarian distribution.
You know, you got this huge downtrend, right? How does one pick the along the bottom or short the bottom? Every time. It should continue down more. It should actually continue down to like 129s, 136. Holding that fucking fair value gap. Come on. Money. There's no. I don't know what the gift's called, but it's a gift. No money. There we go. I just don't see this holding. Too much news. I'm going a little more.
Fed bids for 30-year notes total $3.9 billion. IDF say they suspected hostile UAV enters northern Israel.
More bearish news. What did VIX do? All right, we broke that trend line again to go up. How many do I have here? I don't know if I have 4 or 8. Okay, so we can take the 8 out here, and then we'll see if we can trail down the rest. There's no ambitions. As soon as you do that, Mr. Bastard, it's gonna do what you normally want. You know that, right? It just never. It always does that. If I reverse my thinking, it ends up doing what you wanted it to do if you originally thought it.
CNN, quoting an Israeli official, says there will be no ceasefire in Lebanon and talks will take place under bombardment.
Should be bullish. I mean bearish. It should be bearish. No talks. Okay,
According
we're
to
out.
CBO estimates, U.S. March budget deficit at $163 billion.
You were scared there? Why were you scared, Poetic? I'm not nervous at all. Literally, like yesterday, I've been making like 9K a day. So this movement is like whatever to me. I'm just going one account today because I'm just tired. Yeah, anchors worked perfect right here. You know why I doubted it all the way down daily? Just because they've been working, but not going anywhere near where we wanted to. This is one of the select few that has actually played out very, 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 very well. How the fuck? Let's say inactivity. I love TikTok. Lots of failure swings for sure. That's why I was nervous in the whole short. Exactly, Daily. So that's why I'm like, it's almost like they're doing it on purpose. Yeah, that's what I've been doing, X6. I try to rush it, but I'm not going to anymore. Not now, at least. I can't even do the 1-day pass on this new shit now. I used to do it in like 5 minutes. We're making some money. That's good. That's good thinking. Okay, you see this
From Ayatollah
bullishness?
says that important issues related to third and post-war will be published in an hour. So an hour from now, which will make it 1:49 or 48.
This is bullish. I'm gonna take it out for now. We'll take it out. Let's not make it go into fucking red. We'll just wait for another entry. Maybe the 5-minute. Where's the 5-minute cookie cloud here? Ooh, you see? This is what's scary. It loves the cookie. It loves reversing the cookie cloud. Can't resist. See how it just turned bullish a little bit? Oh my god, see? I'm glad I took it out. What retracement was this?
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile.
Well, remember,
on
we
my
got a
face.
bully block here. I bet you it's probably 50. It's like close by like a freaking jerk. Unless it's this one. And it's still short a little bit. That's what I was trying to tell you guys the other day. I'm like, bro, this shit is not hitting. It's not hitting. It's like a weird, like...
Reminder with Mr. Bahraini when he said that important issues related to third imposed war will be published in an hour, is relating that to the current conflict that's going on.
How was this ripping up if they just had sirens? Very, very hard. Very hard to read this.
Just a reminder, in about 10 minutes' time, we get the US 30-year bond auction, with the US looking
Mark
to
out
sell
your
$22
GAN
billion
box.
in 30-year
I don't
bond
use the
reopening.
GAN box, brother.
Prior high yield of 4.871%, prior beta cover of 2.45. Taking a look at some research here from JP Morgan. They say, given backdrop of stronger long-end demand and somewhat more supportive valuations and
X
technicals,
of death.
they see the auction as being digested smoothly. Latest CFTC positioning data
Sometimes
shows
GAN works
regulators
for
are net
others,
short
but I'm not a GAN. I'm
31.6K
gone. Whatever the
classic
fuck
bond
it's
futures
called.
and net short 268K ultra bond futures, possible sources of covering demand.
It's not though. It goes down to like 45%. I've been watching this for weeks. It just misses the 50% all the time. I don't know why. I don't know if it's the banks turning on the confusion algo, but I'm telling you, it does not hit the 50%. It's so awkward. It's like really weird. I need this to go up a little bit more if we're going to short it. Yeah, right? 47%. A lot of people were trying to tell me it was the 27 or 37%. I'm like, no, bro, this shit is fucking not. And let's do the bigger one. Maybe it's let's go big. Maybe it is like the 27% area if you were to take this whole thing, which could be it. But even the little swings are just not doing it. So that's probably around the 20. The fucking, yeah, that could be it. But still, even the micro swings just aren't hitting.
Poetic. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the Soul Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
You know what sucks about trading one account right now? I feel like I'm not making anything. That's not good. That's not good. Because if we were trading our normal 5 accounts, we'd probably be up about what, 3,000 or 4,000. What was that? That's my real voice.
This is my real voice, Poetic.
But I put this voice changer so I don't scare anybody, you know what I mean? What do you mean you could see all the limit orders? You mean you got book maps? What's up, Shadow? We're taking it easy today.
Five minutes ago now we get the US 30 bond auction price high yield of 4.871%, price bid cover of 2.45.
Now we're in limbo. Limbo Nation, baby. How do you have level 3 access? Level 2 does give you that access, you know that, right? I only use that for gotcha. I only use that for stocks. I don't use it for futures. There's too much fuckery that goes on. Like they'll have 100. Sometimes they'll have like 1,000 orders, right? They'll hold it there and then they'll disappear it and then rip it up.
Going to Nikkei, Japan to tighten restrictions.
I've
on
never heard
metal
of level
and
3.
Plastic waste.
I've been trading 15 years. Yeah, yeah. I'm not coming back.
Daddy? Is that
Got a
you?
follower finally.
Diesel, welcome to the Sound, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Jayzo in the bozo. Are you sure you don't have book maps? What are you using right now? What's it called? You could have level 2 and book maps together. Maybe there's a program. Morse! What's up, brother? What's up, Dad? Coming back. Guys, tap that screen. Let me get 10 motherfucking likes each. 10 likes each. Get me out of TikTok jail.
According to Sky News Arabia, citing marine traffic, non-Iranian oil tanker crossed the Strait of Hormuz for the first time since the ceasefire.
It's called having a chair, and the actual thing is called placement volume. A chair. Might boom up.
10 seconds. Four spot
9 Iranian oil tankers cross the strait.
1%.
That's bullish. No? I kind of want to buy it. News has been trumping strategy right now. Look, you guys know. 9 Iranian oil tankers cross Strait of Hormuz. Oh my god, what the fuck? I'm losing my mind here. What do they want? Did I miss something? I'm in a long just based off the news, though. At 4 micros. I'm a little bit aggressive right now. $2 million per ship? Oh, so they're playing hostage, huh? They're playing, what's that called? Extortion. But 2 Iranian ships just went through, though. Also, was that pocket change to oil?
Surely expecting the rest of the 30-year auction data.
I was just saying, I might take it out because this is just choppy as fuck. Oh, that was yesterday?
876%. Again, for the high yield, 4.876%. Over
30-year
the US,
bond,
$22 billion
bid to
in 30
cover.
bonds, and awarding 15.44% of bids
lower.
at high. Primary dealers take 11.62%, direct 24.23%.
Do you drink
and
energy
indirect
drinks? No, I don't drink
65.14%.
energy drinks. Just coffee. And only 1 cup. Only 1 cup. I've noticed with my body over the years, if I have too much of like
So it's a tail of 0.5 base points.
caffeine, if I'm just tired, I'm literally tired, I won't get anything and I'll just get the jitters instead. Only 1 pot for you? Alright, Poetic. Thanks for joining. Do you drink energy drinks? Walter White. What's up, man? Looking for what today? Yeah. Just staying afloat, baby. Remember, take your
Channel
profit
13
early.
reports
News is cuckoo
an
today.
Israeli official saying we will reduce our operations in Lebanon in the coming days due to US pressure.
I like this song. I mean, you got a few spots for this short. Two 15s. Don't trust anything.
Daddy, chill.
Seeing the yield on the 30-year US Treasury bond pairing decline after the auction, down about 1 basis point.
Oh man, come on. Yes, but I like the ones from Costco. I don't sleep anymore, so it's a hit or miss for me. I went to bed at 1 and was up. Oh my god. You now gone into the dad stage. We hit. Right now, I'm just trying to like adjust to my new schedule. I was really energized last week. This week I'm not so energized. I'm like, I guess I went to bed at like 5:30 a.m. Tempted to try to get up for 10:30, and I was like, I can't do it. From the military. Usually I'm okay, but I've been a little tired. Also, the market's been draining my brain a little bit. I'm sure it's been draining you guys too. The back and forth of this is insane. I wonder what would happen if we just turned off the news and just traded price action. You know how price action has usually planted in? Because sometimes my biased view has been going off of the news. But it is a good thing to do it instead of so up and down. Wish that somebody told me I'm fine.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
All right, let's see what happens around these areas. There's a lot of them, so... And we got the Soul Collector up here. Let's see. Wish somebody would tell me I'm fine. Into pieces. Last resort. Okay, we might be looking for a short here. Again, short-lived. Take your fucking profit and get the fuck out. All right, we're in. Going a little bit heavy. I'm serious. Take your fucking profit and get the fuck out. I'm in a short. At 222s, looking for honestly 215 and 214, and then we'll hold another one to like 205s or 210s. There is some little bit of extra areas here, so who knows. But it shows it wants to pull back. Beat trades, I'm in shorts at 232, kind of scary. Oh, yeah, I'm close to it. I'm 10 points off. You know what? I'm wondering this was better up here. Could be. All right, hold it a little bit longer. It might go up to 237s. Might be 237s it wants, actually. Maybe I got in a little premature there. Oh. All right, we're there. I'm going in another. Yeah, I'm in heavy. Banking on it. Am I around 35? Yeah, I'm 37. Got a moon, Victor? Oh, man. VIX is down below.
According to Al Haddad citing an official source, negotiations between Lebanon and Israel will be held next Tuesday in the US. Just
In the
another
US?
confirmation there.
That's scary. There is some levels here, so it could go up. I did get in a little bit premature here, so let's see. 230s. Yeah, I'm at 224. Just break this fair value gap and we Gucci. 3 minis? I'm in 16, so what is that? 1.5? 1.5 minis?
So it's adding to an earlier
There we
headline
go.
from Axios that said
I kind of want to
negotiations
go in
between
even
Israel and
more.
Lebanon will happen in the State Department of the US. Now, just Al Haddad citing a source that negotiations between both the nations will happen Tuesday.
I mean, technically, I have $1,800 on this drawdown, right? I could. Didn't really fucking change it. We gotta watch these little ones. Wow.
Trump to NBC says he's optimistic Iran peace deal is within reach.
Fucking Trump. Bro, if Trump gets me again. I'm trading MNQ, yes.
So this is NBC citing a phone interview with Trump.
It's still holding.
From the NBC article says that Trump said Iran leaders talk much differently when you're at the meeting than when they do to the press. They're much more reasonable.
I need a
Trump
wick,
says that
bro.
they're agreeing to all things that they have. That they
Trump's
have agreed to.
talking.
Remember, they've been conquered. They have no military. Trump said to NBC, if they don't make a deal, it's going to be very painful.
I was shorting, but now Trump's talking. Fucking A, bro. I can't with this guy. Every time I go higher, news comes out or something, you know? I can't be that crazy. There's another level up here, but I really don't want to hold it up there. Don't want to hold it up there, man. Took your break even. Trump said Iran leaders talk much differently when you're at a meeting
Also, NBC
than they
just,
do in the
uh,
press. They're
confirming
much
with
more
Trump
reasonable.
that the conversation he had with Netanyahu about de-escalating or sizing down the attacks on Lebanon, that did happen. So specifically, Trump said to NBC that I spoke with Bibi and he's going to low-key it. I just think we have to be sort of a little more low-key.
Yeah, you know Trump's gonna say good things. Should I close this? Or just see if it plays out? We're still good. But if it starts like closing above like 243s, then we got an issue. It's my way. Let's see. You know, Trump's speaking, anything can happen. He's too I'm just gonna close this. I don't know why I'm even fucking fighting this. Let's just go long. Of course you're gonna fucking fall when I get it. True, which is buy the rumor, sell the news. I would be right though, Victor, if this guy wasn't fucking talking. Watch it fucking dump. Honestly, that's probably the best thing to do. Go against your gut. It's gonna go long. Let me short it. I need this to rip up to like fucking 257s. I'll go to the 1. Maybe the 30 seconds too noisy. This candle here gave us both. It's my way.
Just keeping an eye on the S&P 500, seeing some further movements towards the upside here. Again, this is just off the back of the early headlines we had from Netanyahu saying that the Lebanon seeks direct talks and Israel agrees. And you also had from the early headlines
Why?
that Trump requested Netanyahu to ease the bombing in Lebanon to help make negotiations with Iran a success. And now these NBC headlines adding to that he's optimistic, Trump's optimistic that Iran peace deal is within reach. and that Trump said that Netanyahu told him that he'd low-key it. Brent crude futures reverse gains, dropping below $95 a barrel.
Good. That's bullish. Kind of hammering though. Yeah, I'm not getting good breaks. Like I should have fucking held my short here. But even if it rips up, that's fine. I still think the shorts were good. Yeah, I could be wrong. But just rip up. Just fucking make it wrong and rip up. Nope. That's a short, boys. How long it's lived, I don't know. Huge camera candle wick drops to the downside. See? You gotta fucking listen to what the fuck you're supposed to do, you piece of shit. Ah!
According to Iran International Sighting Files News Agency, affiliated with the IRGC, cited an informed source saying that the IRGC, or the Islamic Republic, rules out negotiations with the US and keeps Strait of Hormuz closed until a full ceasefire is established in Lebanon.
I gotta listen to myself, guys. It hit, so we could try it one more time for the longs now. I am going in heavy. We want to make this money back. If it doesn't, if it fucking breaks me, I don't give a fuck right now. Nah, I'm gonna see if it bounces here for sympathy. But you know, it's not cool. I was up $800. Now I'm down like basically 1,200. Let me get 260s. There it goes. Danny Zombie. You want 254 for shorts? Almost. This is fucking short buys. Come on. Ah! I'm done after this account, guys. Sorry. It's just I'm always fucking right, and I don't fucking listen to myself. Fuck you. I'm Alpha Daddy Tweak.
So just
I'm the
looking at
one who
Fars
knocks.
News, from that point of view. So the informed source stated
That's
that
it.
Iran
This thing's
will
done.
the option
Done.
of negotiating with Washington till a complete ceasefire is established in Lebanon, and strongly asserted this position. Also, the source speaking to Fars News says one of the operational options on the table is to keep the Strait of Hormuz closed.
I don't know why I don't listen to myself. Some of you guys get to me. You know that, right? I gotta ignore some of you guys. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be mean, but I'm Alpha Daddy for a reason. I gotta trust myself. There's a reason why I fucking make money. Can't listen to you guys. I'm sorry. For taking gym seriously? What, because of me? As I get older, though, I had to adapt. Like, I built my own gym. I got a full gym in my basement. You know what else I bought? It's not a tonal, but it's called the Gym Monster. Monster Gym. It's basically electronic. And it changes the weight for you. It's pretty fucking insane. So I have no excuse not to work out. It goes up to 220 in weight, but it's digital weight, so it actually feels like 400 pounds. It costs like 2,500 though. Thank you, Mr. Bastard. What the hell is it called? It's like 3,000, 2 to 3,000. But dude, I use it a lot. And you could do partner mode. It's pretty cool. Obedience Gym Monster. Just look it up on Amazon. I have over 1 million pounds lifted on it. This is the long now. Now this is the long. But you got to do short-lived. What's up, Tom?
Daddy? Daddy, is that you? Is that you? Tech 23, welcome to the show, Daddy.
Yeah, it's basically a tonal, but I think it's way better. Bro, they got so many programs on it. But like, what helps me a lot, so say like my son, he obviously can't lift as much as me. So when you do partner mode, it switches to his weight. And your body can't tell the difference between weight. You do get some stabilization difference, so you need to hit the free weights here and there. Yeah, it's actually really good. I can't complain. It's called the Gym Monster. Dude, I've been using it for like 2 summers now. So 2 years. It's just about the only weight that you're gonna that you need more on is legs. I max it out like on bench, but as I get older, I don't do heavy, like too crazy heavy weight. Like my prime, I've done 500 pounds in bench. Felt like my bones were fucking bending. I don't even fucking risk it anymore. I don't risk it anymore. So I just do like 225. Maybe I'll go up to 300. Maybe I'll go up to 300, but I usually do 225 and I rep it out. You can still get how do you say it? Atrophy in your muscles to grow. Look at this fucking thing, bro. Fuck you guys. What was it? Bench? What do you mean? Dude, the weight switching oh, the drawdown? I knew it was gonna fucking short here. I knew it. What's my max bench? I can't do it anymore, but I was up to like 500 pounds. I've changed my lifting, though, as I get older. Yeah, I just like, I have, like special needs strength. I don't know why I was born like that. So I just go to, maxing out at like 225. So if you do like 225, it doesn't matter what you can do. Whatever you struggle on is great. You just push it a couple 2 reps and just keep doing that. My legs, I feel like I'm chafing a little bit on my legs. I want to give myself a break. There's a long right now. You haven't passed your max to 16? You gotta eat, boy. You gotta eat and force yourself. Bro's repping my max. Yeah, I could do like depending on the day. You know how you're off sometimes? 20 to 30. 20, 30 reps. Hit 195 at 16, 130 pounds. I mean, I am a big boy. I'm usually between 220 and 240. Right now I'm at 235. But when I get like ripped and lean, I'll be around 220. Probably is a pullback, but like we would have got this perfect bounce here. Sold, got out, wait for the 229s to fall again. I don't know. Maybe I'll do one more apex and we'll wing it. After that though, I'm done though. I don't want to do too many accounts today, cuz you know how it's been. When's this deal over? The 90% off.
Iran State TV now reads out
Today? Oh
credited
shit.
to Iran Supreme Leader Khomeini.
Should I buy
That's
2?
Iran Supreme Leader Mujtaba Khomeini.
I'll buy 2 then, and then
So we're expected.
I won't
expected
trade
to
2 right
be
now. I'm just gonna wing
at
fucking.
48 past, but it's coming out now.
How many contracts you think I should do in the beginning? Because we need a buffer, right? I'm gonna do 2. I'll buy 2. I'm only gonna trade 1 though. Do 3. Well, let's see if I pass this one.
This is Mujtaba Khomeini just saying that Iran is the definitive victor in the war. again today, and up to this point in the epic of the
For
third
RIS? What do you
consecutive
mean
advance,
RIS? You saying the
we can
VIX
boldly
or
be
R?
said that to you,
What are you trying to say, Mr. Dad?
you, the heroic nation of Iran, have been the definitive victor in this arena.
Oh, so RSI, you can't just
Daddy?
rely on RSI
Is
by
that
itself,
you?
in my opinion. See, you say 80 and 20, but the market really doesn't give a fuck if it's oversold. Does that make sense? You have to use it with
The
other
Supreme Leader says Iran is not
stuff.
seeking war, but will not forfeit its rights.
But hovering over like 8, I've seen it hover over 80 for hours. Hours. It does not give a fuck. So you got to use it with other shit. So annoying to log back in. Anybody think like logging in this shit's so annoying now? Oh, Apex? He doesn't like Apex? Honestly, like, there's nothing wrong with Apex. I'm just trying to adjust to the drawdown. If you guys saw how many counts I've had, you guys would rumble.
OpenAI says they're introducing a new $100 per month pro tier.
Lucid and Apex, I recommend. Use code BULLY, all cash, BULLY, and I do get back to the community once they give me money. Because it helps me grow, and it helps you guys grow, too.
Also,
2 for 1
Iran's
special, baby.
Ayatollah Mujtaba Khomeini says it should not be assumed that the announcement of negotiations with the enemy means that the presence in the streets is not necessary.
Well, this one I'll have to fucking log out to show you. Soon as I might look for a short around this area. If it does it, then it's gonna soul collect. Running away from me. Soul collecting. Motherfucker, bro. Now, be careful. Everybody thinks it's going to blast up this. I hope it does, but sometimes it just hasn't been doing it. I use Financial Juice, but I pay for the subscription. I got to look up how much it is again. You guys keep asking me. I don't know. It's in like fucking euro, but it changes.
Iran's Khomeini reiterates seeking compensation for war damages.
The fuck is on my head? I was born like this, man. Why you gotta be a bully to me, bro? Why you have to bully me? So sad. Edward Snowden. The fuck is that? that the guy that
Khomeini
leaked all
adds
the
that we're
stuff?
still awaiting appropriate reaction from our southern neighbors, so that we can show you.
So it's only
what we're-
0 because I'm pressing another account. Okay, I'm not lying anything. You do not need a membership. The only thing you need a membership is if you want to do like the fat program loss, like it guides you a little better. Other than that, I haven't paid a thing. There's over like 200 programs. You don't even need the program. You could do it solo.
Iran's Khomeini says we're moving to a new stage in managing the Hormuz Strait.
I literally have over £1 million+ pounds on it. Used. Honestly phenomenal. The only thing that you would probably have to buy extra is strap extensions, and that's so the wire doesn't rub against your arm. It'll rip out like your hairs, because like if you're doing like the bench, the wires will go against your arm. But I don't even pay any attention to that. That's only for pure. I want to short this so bad. How many contracts should I go? What do you think's a good one? I want to fucking pass this. Problem is that the Soul Collector's right here. Literally right here. But we're having bearish.
Iran's Khomeini says we did not seek war, we do not seek it.
See, Iran says, we do not seek war, but we just shot missiles, guys. You just shot missiles. All right. We'll see what happens with 12. I'm taking it a little bit earlier. Sorry, I walked away when you answered my question. Oh, the only thing that you had to buy is probably like a strap extension, so the wire doesn't rub against your arms. Doesn't bother everybody. But
on it, and we'll take
I still don't even have
management
them.
from us into a new phase.
Some of them come with the machine now, though.
Israeli broadcaster quoting an official says Lebanon must dismiss Hezbollah ministers from the government as a confidence-building measure.
Come on, I want to pass. If you guys shorted the top wick, you guys did a great job. See, I think 16 is too heavy for this 1,000 drawdown. What do you guys think? I probably need a happy medium, like 10 at first, and then we can build up. What happened? I'm doubting myself. Sorry, my dogs.
Iran's Supreme Leader Khomeini says Iran is resolute in taking revenge for its late Supreme Leader and its martyrs.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Is that you? Daddy? Is that you? Connie and Kevin, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
No membership, no. You can get a membership, but it's for the extra features, like if you want a fat loss program. But there's literally 200 programs without it that are actually pretty good. It counts all your reps it unloads your fucking rep, your weight when it's done. You have a little finger thing to press on the weight control. You could do assist if you're starting to struggle. There's what else? There's all different kind of shit, man. You got chain mode, eccentric mode. And there's always resistance up and down. It's not the bullshit one where you like say you pick up the weight and then there's no resistance on the way down. No, it's full weight up and down, which is huge. It is expensive. It is expensive. I have that plus a full gym, but I mostly use that. I also got a TV in there. Sometimes we'll do fucking YouTube workouts. I got bikes. I got fucking power rack. But I've been using that a lot because it's just so much easier. What do you guys think? Down lower? Post a picture? I think I did. Let's see in gym. Maybe I didn't. Oh yeah, I got a picture of the gym. Oh, of that? I don't have an updated picture of it. So in the gym section, I have a picture of my gym. It's just a little bit organized a little bit differently now. Yeah, I want to fucking short this, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Your own gym? Yeah, I got it in my the gym section. I have a picture of on top. But I don't have the gym monster in there. I would have to go take a picture again. I don't even know. I might have another picture. It's been a while. I don't take pictures of my gym anymore. It's a little bit of a mess, but I'll share it. How do I do voice channel? Doesn't let me do it. I'll just do general general chat. It's a mess right now. Oh, I have a treadmill too in the back right.
Lebanon's
that.
Hezbollah lawmaker Ali Fayyad says group rejects direct negotiations with Israel.
A little bit of a mess right now though.
Hezbollah lawmaker says the Lebanese government should demand ceasefire as precondition before any further steps.
I posted in trading general chat. One at first and scale in. I need to go a little heavier than that. Getting real choppy again.
The IDF says more areas in Israel may come under fire from Lebanon.
Oh my god. Do you hear that? What'd they say? I was, but I took it early. I didn't see it until like right here. Very nice. But your green candles are fucking tan? What the hell is that?
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Try to use a if you're gonna try to use a realistic number when you trade. Full
The
port
IDF urging
shorts.
vigilance ahead of possible wider fire from Lebanon.
Haley, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
It needs to go a little lower. It's just not going.
Voice news disconnected.
Yeah, I wanted to long it, but I want to be patient at the same time. It tried. Yeah, that's a good one, Johnny.
Iran Supreme Leader Moshtaba Khamenei says that Iran sees all resistance fronts as united entity.
Just think about it. 4 hour. So what, upside or downside? Oh, we did take those highs out. We're gonna short. I agree, Tweak. Oh man. Let's wait the 5 minutes.
So it's a bit further detail from Israeli army in regards to Hezbollah. They say Hezbollah is preparing to carry out attacks in the coming hours that will extend beyond the northern border.
I don't know what the fuck they're saying over there. Let's see what happens in 4 minutes. So yeah, guys, the Apex deal ends tonight, right? I don't know when they'll do the next sale. Last time they waited a week. I'm assuming they're gonna have to keep the sales because even the 90% off is $35 plus their activation fee. So I'm thinking they're gonna have to keep it. But last time they waited a week, so we'll see. If you guys want, use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY, for the latest and greatest discounts. That's for 90% off now. Lucid is 40% off right now with code BULLY. And the more that you guys use my code, the more I can give back to you guys. You know, I don't make much from you guys, so I need a lot of you guys to use it, and it takes time. I only make like fucking $2. But from $2, I was able to get the partners on it. Over time, obviously, it took a while to make. I had to make $1,500, and I still didn't even make that because I was taking the money out and doing the giveaways. I didn't cash out anything. Apex, yeah, Apex will cash me out, but it takes forever for them to fucking pay you on that. My funded family or futures? Because I know you like the word family. You're
Israeli
a
chief of
family
staff
man.
on the outskirts of Bin Jabil in southern Lebanon says our main battleground is here.
Which one is it, Daily? My funded futures or my family funded? Whatever the hell it's called. My family forever. My funded futures? No, I haven't. So I've used them before. They looked really good. And then my funded family, my funded futures. So they've been good lately. They did have some effery, some weird shit that they did in the past. That's why they're kind of trying to build their shit back up. You said rapid? They got a flex, a rapid. So rapid plan. So you can pass it one day? Oh, you could get fucking daily payouts? How come I can't fucking... What's the max you could take out? Let's see.
Netanyahu says we're continuing to strike Hezbollah with force. Also, Netanyahu says negotiations with Lebanon aim to disarm Hezbollah and achieve lasting peace.
Still expensive, dude. $125. Trading rules. Bullies funded dungeon. That sounds like a lot of work.
Netanyahu says we won't stop until northern Israel is secure.
CC roll 50%. Okay. Funded rules. 2K. Real time. Max positions. Daily drawdown. 0. Scaling rule. But what is it? Is it end of day for all? Oh. Real time. No, that's fucking... Dude, that's trailing. That's trailing. Stop. That's trailing.
It's a reminder with a headline that we saw earlier on from CNN citing Israeli official who said that there will be no ceasefire in Lebanon. Discussions will take place under bombardment.
Am I right? That's that's trailing. That's like
And now you have Netanyahu says we won't stop until northern Israel is secure. We're continuing to strike Hezbollah with force.
There's always something. This thing's dumping.
Just
Let's
keep
see if
an
we
eye
can
on
get
the
along
markets
down
today.
here.
The S&P 500 just starting to see a tiny bit of downside movement. Did see a little bit of movement towards the upside as
I like the...
Netanyahu
What's the
speaks here.
flex
So
plan? Same
Netanyahu
shit?
says there is no ceasefire in Lebanon.
I just like fucking Lucid because they tell the truth. Flex plan is a little bit more pricier. I want to take a gamble here. All right, I'm gonna take a gamble. It's a good gamble to go in early, but if we get along, then I'll tell you when. VIX is shooting up. Still? Yeah, but it's stalling. It could keep coming down. I don't know. We'll have to close it if it does. Oh my god. Keep back up. I'm always in the wrong fucking way.
And seeing some further downside movement on the S&P 500.
Shorting.
Post.
See if we can get down to the
Netanyahu's
next
comments.
area. This thing is tumbling. Holy shit. You should have held your short, Nico. Fix this. There it is. Now
Further
it's
downside
spiking,
movements
yeah.
Here now. The S&P and further upside movement on the dollar index.
Lucid's still better than my funded, it looks like. Let me go back to see. Israel Prime Minister, there is no ceasefire in Lebanon. Oh, this guy! He's driving me crazy! Driving me crazy!
Netanyahu says that we intend to reach more peace accords with Arab nations.
Let's try now. I'm gambling. It's bullish. For a small spike. I am catching a knife here, so be careful.
S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 index pairing gains now post Netanyahu's comments.
Why to enter? Clear rejection off the bully blocks. Hammer. See the hammer? Starts to break up. Plus, that was a very dramatic drop. But Israel's saying the same shit over and over again. It's nothing new.
According to Semaphore
Gonna
News,
take it out.
shipping through the Strait of Hormuz stalled further despite a ceasefire in the Iran war, underscoring an emboldened Tehran's growing control over the critical waterway, according to Semaphore.
I got in shorts. Well, I had a long. Realized that it's dumping. Shorted. Got the long entry to the upside. We need this OG to break for it to rip up, and then we can look for a already on the 150 EMA.
And just being reiterated on just from some of the major news wires.
I'm really tempted to short. A scalp, guys. Scalping. Could be wrong. Shit goes sour. Trying to reject this block. And of course, any second, some weird news can come out and blast up. And then 5 minutes later, it's denied again. What was said is a little bullish, so now I'm confused. Israel Prime Minister, we intend to reach more peace. By killing, I guess. Yeah, I can handle that style too. That's pretty cheap. $30-minute. Go to the 15 and check. It's got a long ways, brother. I mean, that one's good. But I guess the 30 is probably further. I don't want to switch my thing, though. All right, 1 minute's kind of holding. I'm going to take it out. Pull back to the 61%. There's too many variables here to choose. I think it's going to rip up, but I'm scared. Let's see. It's got to break above this. A little premature, but we'll see. I switch it up. Every day I got a different playlist. All depends on how I feel. I feel like this is a good tone for the trickery that's going on. This is either gonna break and rip up or it's not. There's probably is no half-fast. It either breaks this fair value gap and it rips to the moon, or it's not. Deciding. X6 says he's feeling shorts. It could possibly be, bro. It could. You know, it's rejecting it a lot. We got a couple wicks. We also got a couple wicks on the bottom, too. It's fighting. It's fighting like crazy. Gotta rip up now. Might not be good. This one I'm not sure. I mean, it's scooping out the bottom.
Netanyahu says, I've signed 4 peace agreements with Arab nations and I intend to move forward towards a genuine peace from a position of strength.
Come on, how many seconds we got left? 14? See it? Rip it up. Rip up. Deciding. What are you deciding there, guy? Now it fucking falls. Come on, man. Fucking drive me crazy. You're driving me
Ronnie is
fucking
referring to
cuckoo.
The Abraham Accords, series of joint normalization agreements that was signed in 2020 between Israel, the UAE, Bahrain, Sudan, and Morocco.
See right here. I'm gonna go in heavy if it gives me a signal. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bastard. I don't get it. I don't get it. This is really difficult to trade. $20 seconds. I'll try 2 more here. Gamble exactly, X6, exactly. I am going in premature again, but it's starting to hold 30 seconds. And it would be a good spot to enter. I'm gonna go in even more. It looks like it wants to go, and it fucking dumps. I'm done. I'm done! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck!
According to White House official, Trump is considering withdrawing some U.S. troops from Europe.
Last trade.
Somebody had a Wall Street Journal piece that was talking about Trump withdrawing, moving around U.S. troops from Europe.
Big dog now, let's go. Knock me out or put it in my butt. Well, I don't care right now.
White House officials said no decision on removing troops has been made, and Trump is angry NATO has not helped with the Strait of Hormuz or Greenland annexation.
Bearish. Dump. Full port, baby. If we can break this, we good. That long was good right there and just fucked up. But this, no good. There you go. Dump it. Dump it. Give me $3,000. $3,000. I'm not asking for much. No, I'm short. What'd you say, Walter? I mean, I don't understand what you said. Damn, this thing's going both ways. I'm gonna get knocked out again. Crazy. Heart open. You're fading my entry? Might be best today.
So according to an Israeli N12 reporter here, so with regards to coalition in Israel, the coalition loses 2 seats in favor of Bennett and Eisenkot.
It's gonna get
An
me. This is
overwhelming majority
crazy,
want to
dude.
continue fighting Hezbollah.
I'm like right. I switch my mind, and then it rips in the way, and then as soon as I were to go long, it's gonna fall again. All right, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna pretend to go long now. I'm gonna get cracked. I think I'm done, guys. I think I'm done.
As a reminder, Naftali Bennett was the former Prime Minister of Israel, and Eisenkot was the former Chief of General Staff of Israel.
I need my 2K drawdown, bro. I'm gonna full port. You know it's gonna drop, right? You know it is. Stevie, you know you're a real good supporter, bro. I don't know why you gotta be so mean to me. I have a 30-second on right now. There he goes. Telling you right now, bro. It's the little movement that's just killing me in between. No, I used the 1 minute 30 and the 5. I know I'm doubting myself. Guys, I'm gonna get off. I'm just wasting money. I'm gonna take a nap before I have to go to work tonight. I will try to be on at 10:30 tomorrow. I can't promise. I try my best. I gotta adjust. Probably log off. Wow, like I don't know why you gotta be such a dick to me, Stevie. I don't get it. I'm gonna take a nap and then work out. No, you're being mean to me, Stevie. You're being mean to me. Walter, I know what I did. I'm just fucking up last week. I'm sizing too high too. I'm trying to be aggressive. My patience is my patience is low, you know. I don't wanna fucking trade this eval. Thank you, X6. At least somebody's nice to me. Unlike you, boy. You're hurting my feelings. I'm gonna I'm gonna log off and cry. Yeah, this is just nonsense. You literally say they want peace as they're bombing each other. What the fuck is this? You know? What the fuck is this? It's all good. Man, there's another mean comment, Stevie. Another mean comment. Are you alright? Are you mean to everybody in real life? Damn, that's mean. I like to be nice to people, and then when they're mean to me, I usually beat them up. But I'm getting better at that as I get older. As I get older, I'm trying to be a nicer and better person. Discord of the nice group? That's right, Morsi. Well, Stevie's in Discord. He's just bully. He's just a bully to me. Don't tell me what the fuck you do, Stevie! I'll stay up until I'm dead! I'm just joking. I'm getting off. It's just a difficult market. Look, and I'm right. I just sized too high there. I don't give a fuck. It is what it is. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. And if you guys ever have any questions in Discord, I can always answer in Discord. I'll be up until fucking 5 in the morning tonight. Be a man in revenge trade? Can't, dude. I'm fucking giving too much money. Yesterday I was up 9 G's, gave it back. The day prior, up 7,000, gave it back. I think before that, I was up 5,000, and then I gave back 3 of it. And look, I was right the whole time. You know how much money I'd be up right now? What do you think? Getting close to 3K at least. Max port 40.
Official source at Saudi Ministry of Energy.
And that was real money I was
Yeah,
giving back.
says
Real
operations
fucking
have been
money.
halted at a number of
This is
energy
eval
facilities in
shit
the kingdom.
today. But it is what it is. Alright, guys. I'll be on tomorrow. Peace out. Deuces, motherfuckers. There it is. There it is. Look at that. I would have passed my fucking eval.
Just keep an eye
Holy
on
Bez is
the
out.
top two,
Doses.
seeing a little bit of movement towards the upside for the back of the news there. Again, official source at the Saudi Ministry of Energy says operations have been halted at a number of energy facilities in the kingdom.